In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a PDF by setting a password or permissions using Foxit Reader. Whether you're protecting sensitive information or simply want to control how your document is accessed and used, password protecting your PDF is a critical skill. So, let's jump right into it. Start by opening your PDF file in Foxit PDF Editor. It's a robust tool that offers a wide range of options for editing and protecting documents. Once you have your PDF open, one of the first steps is navigating to the top menu bar. You'll want to find the Protect option, which is your go-to spot for document security features. Under Protect, click on Secure Document, which will reveal additional options. From there, you want to click on Password Protect. Now, at this point, you'll see the Password Protection dialog box appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. If you're aiming to secure your document by requiring a password for anyone to open it, you'll want to check the box that says Require a password to open the document. Once you've selected that, enter a strong password. Make sure it's something memorable but not easily guessed. It's a balancing act. You want security without forgetting the key yourself. On the other hand, you might be looking to restrict the permissions of others who might need to view the document. In this case, still within the password protection dialog, check the option for Add Document Restriction. This will help you control actions like printing, editing, or copying. To implement these restrictions, you'll need to set up a permissions password. After that, click on Permission to specify exactly what actions you're allowing or disallowing. It's all about tailoring the security to your specific needs. You'll also have a choice to select an encryption algorithm. Typically, you might see options like AES 128 or AES 256. The higher the number, the stronger the encryption. It's wise to choose based on how sensitive the information is that you're looking to protect. Additionally, you can choose to check or uncheck Don't Encrypt Metadata if you want the metadata of the document to remain visible. If you're not sure what metadata is, don't worry too much. It's essentially the background information of your document that some people may not require to be secured. Once all your settings are configured to your liking, click OK. This will apply your chosen security settings to the document. Remember, you need to save the document to fully enable these settings, so go ahead and hit Save. Finally, make sure to test your newly secured PDF. This involves closing the document and then reopening it. Why do this? Well, it's crucial to ensure that your settings have indeed locked the document. Upon reopening, you should see that it prompts for the password you set for opening, or correctly restricts the permissions such as editing or printing. And there you have it. Your PDF is now locked and secured, your information protected exactly the way you want it. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.